To Wild About Math. In this Mathcast, I am going to show you how you can multiply two three-digit numbers together without having to write down all the intermediate numbers that you're getting when you do your multiplication. So this page shows you what the steps are, and after I explain these steps, I'm going to do some examples to make this as clear as I possibly can. So look at the numbers here that are in bold and red. They show you what multiplications you do, and everything is in order from left to right and from top to bottom. So in this example, if I want to multiply together the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, here's what I would do. I would multiply 3 by 6 together, and I would get 18, and 8 is the first digit, the rightmost digit of the answer, and then I've got my 1 as a carry, which I'm going to use in the next step. And the next step is that I do this cross multiplication. I multiply 2 times 6, and I also multiply 3 times 5, and I add the results of those two products together and add the carry to get the next number. So 2 times 6 plus 3 times 5 plus my carry of 1 is equal to 28. I write down the 8 as the next leftmost digit of the answer, and I have my 2 as a carry. The third step is the most complicated step because you have to do 3 multiplications in this step. So you have to multiply 1 by 6, and then 2 by 5, and then 3 by 4. Add those up, add your carry, you get the next piece of the answer. So 1 times 6 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 4, well, that's equal to 6 plus 10, which is 16, plus 12, which is 28, plus 2 equals 30. So we write down the 0 as the next digit of our answer. 3 becomes our carry. Now, on to the next step. 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4 plus the carry becomes our next digit. So 1 times 5 plus 2 times 4 plus the carry of 3, that's 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 3 is 16. 6 is our next digit of the answer. Our carry is 1. Let's go to the final step. We multiply 1 times 4 to get the next digit of the answer, and we add our carry. So 1 times 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 5 becomes the last and the final digit of our answer. So 1, 2, 3 times 4, 5, 6 is equal to 56088. Pretty cool, huh? Let's do some examples now. Let's go to a new page. And we are going to do the multiplication now. 2, 3, 4 times 5, 6, 7. So first step is we multiply together the rightmost digits. That column in the right. So 4 times 7 is 28. So let me get a pen here. 4 times 7 is 28. We write down the 8. And we have a carry of 2. For the next step, we calculate 3 times 7 plus 4 times 6. That's 21 plus 24. That's 45 plus our carry of 2 becomes 47. Write down the 7. We have a carry of 4. Now we're doing the complicated middle step that has 3 multiplications. So let's go. 2 times 7 is 14. 3 times 6 is 18. 14 plus 18 is 32. 4 plus 5 is 20. 32 plus 20 is 52, plus our carry of 4 is 56. We write down the 6 and we carry the 5. Okay, now we are on step 4 over here. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 3 times 5, which is 15. 12 and 15 is 27 plus our carry of 5 gives us 32. We write down the 2. We carry the 3. Okay, now we are on the last step. 2 times 5 is 10, plus our carry of 3 is 13. So that is our answer. 132,678. Let's do a second example. 345 times 678. Okay, so 5 times 8 is 40. Write down the 0, carry the 4. 4 times 8, 32. 5 times 7 is 35. 32 plus 35 is 67. Plus our carry of 4 becomes 71. Write down the 1, carry the 7. Now for that middle step, 3 times 8 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 24 plus 28 is 52. 5 times 6 is 30. 52 plus 30 is 82. Plus our carry of 7 is 89. Write down the 9. Carry the 8. Now we do step 4. 3 times 7 is 21. 4 times 6 is 24. 21 times plus 24 is 45. Plus 8 is 53. Write down the 3. Carry the 5. And now for our last step, 3 times 6 is 18. Plus 5 is 23. So we write down 23. And our answer is 233,910. Let's do our third and final example. Okay, so here we go. 9 times 6 is 54. Write down the 4 and carry the 5. 5 times 9, 45, plus 6 times 8, which is 48. 45 plus 48 is 93, plus our carry of 5 is 98. Write down the 8, carry the 9. Our third middle step here, 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 8 is 40. 36 plus 40 is 76. 6 times 7 is 42. So 76 plus 42 is 118. Plus our carry of 9 is 127. Write down the 7. Carry a 12. Okay, now for step 4, 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 7 is 35. 35 plus 32 is 67. Plus 12, which was our carry, is 79. Write down the 9, carry the 7. Our final step, 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 7 is 35. We write down 35. So our answer here is 359,784. So check out wildaboutmath.com for other fun math things and other fun math videos. Thank you for listening.